Welcome to Melbourne. The local time is 5:44. Please stay seated until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. If you can reach your mobile phone, you may switch off flight mode now. If you're leaving us here in Melbourne, your bags will be available in the baggage claim area on carousel number 3. If you are continuing on another domestic flight, please check the screens in the terminal for flight information. And if you're travelling on an international flight, please make your way to the international terminal for your departure. For Jetstar domestic flights, you will need to collect your bags and make your way through to Jetstar check-in, located at Terminal 4. And look for the Qantas ground team if you do require any assistance. Just a reminder, when opening up those overhead lockers, be aware that bags may have moved and could fall out, so please take care. Once the seatbelt sign is off, you'll be leaving through the forward left-hand door, but before you do, please check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items as this aircraft is returning to Adelaide. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted while disembarking or throughout the terminal. Once again, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. On behalf of my entire team today, thank you for choosing to fly with Qantas and One World. It's been our pleasure to have you on board. We trust you enjoyed your flight and look forward to seeing you again soon. We wish you a lovely evening. Thank you.
Thank you, cabin crew. Disarmed, also cross-check.